Then we wanna go to Hong Island.
It's a bumpy ride for sure.
Are you excited, Casper?
I am ready to die.
No! We're ready for the island hopping.
Alright, everyone. My name is Wendy Ami. Wendy.
It's
Call
Wendy.
me Wendy. And then
My name is Dreamy. Bad dream, sweet dream.
Dreamy?
Yes.
Ah.
I'm guy for today. Then we wanna go to Hong Island. And then Hong Island have a Hong Island. And then Hong Lagoon. Pakbia Island. Pakbia Island. And then last Laolading. Laolading have snorkeling and swimming from there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And then first station we wanna go to Hong Island.
Okay.
Island has a very beautiful beach. Have a green water and then have a sand. It's small and then white color. Ah yes. The photo is very nice. Okay. We wanna go about 40 minutes.
Okay.
40 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Just relax and just see the view. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. It's a bumpy ride for sure.
This was
started-
a scary one for sure.
Yeah, it started raining already. We made it to Hong Island. Hi, Cookie. Wow. Oh my gosh. So here in this island, you can snorkel here. The water is so clear. This is the only thing that scares me. It's a tsunami hazard zone. So in case of earthquake, go to high ground or inland. So when you go up there, they have this 400 steps viewpoint. So you can go all the way up there. You can see, there over there. That's the one. So you can see the Koh Phi Phi and other islands. Yeah, we can do it there. So this is called Paradise Island. Right, foods are ready. Thanks for preparing. Now we got si tom yum. What is this?
Khai luk khơi in Thai.
Kai luk khoi.
Yeah, khai luk.
And rice. Of course, we got drinks. Yes.
Wow, that's good.
Hello guys, we just finished the island hopping. It was really great. It was rainy at first, but then we got sunshine, so that was nice. How was your day?
Amazing.
Yeah, that was a good trip, right? Yeah, super good.
Good.
How was the trip? Good.
So fun.
Yeah, so much fun.
Sunburn.
Yeah, we're more browner now. And Greg also.
red.
He's local now. And he's a lobster. Yeah.
You're a Norwegian salmon. We're heading out to see the bioluminescent plankton.
Yeah.
Very exciting, but it is raining, so good luck to us.
Yeah, good luck to us. We're waiting for our boat right now. And it's raining already.
Are you excited, Casper?
I am ready to die.
No! I'm excited, Cookie.
I'm just scared a bit.
Yeah.
But it's okay. She say okay. Everybody is safe.
YOLO.
It's gonna be fun. So this is where... Oh shoot. Oh! Oh yes, get up there, get up there. Oh yeah, I'm getting it.
Look, careful.
Okay, this.
I'm okay.
Oh, wow.
Careful.
Taking that shirt off already.
Careful.
Be okay. So, no.
Careful, Greggy.
Don't jump. You have a lot of wood.
You okay, babe?
Oh, wait. Can you grab this for me? Can you grab this?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll handle it from there.
Okay. You're good. Then sit down.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Where's my...
You do it.
We just get in the boat.
He say you have a lot. Have a lot of
A what?
Lots of plankton?
lots of plankton.
Ooh.
Oh, very good. We're gonna see a lot of glowing.
Yes.
I think everybody get sick tomorrow.
The plankton are not dangerous though, so... Can I get your shirt real quick? Can you wipe my glasses with your shirt?
Here.
If it's
Here,
not wet.
babe. It's not wet.
Mine is a little bit wet.
Are you that scared already?
So we are at our destination right now. We finally arrived, and we'll see if we will get lucky tonight. We're going to see the what was that, babe?
Bioluminescent plankton. It's supposed to glow in the water. Let's
Yeah,
check it out.
so-
ชื่ออะไรคะ ลุงหันมองกล้องแน่เขาถ่ายนำแน่
Banglan.
He's being nice นะ
Yeah, very nice.
Super.
Yeah, he really did his best.
That has been the best experience. Honestly, this is the best I've had as far as the boating experience goes.
Yes,
Yeah,
it was
for
a
sure.
very unique
Very unique
experience.
experience.
Yeah.
And look, it's not raining anymore and all that, so I guess the earlier rain and kind of like, you know, the suspense was...
Yeah,
You know.
it was really worth it. So that's our driver, boat driver.
Boat captain.
Boat captain,
I
yeah.
suppose.
Why am I saying driver?
Driver.
Yeah, boat captain. He's really nice. Bye! Bye! Kapun ka! We are having dinner after our boat trip. So I'm having cheeseburger, Thai milk tea,
Double cheeseburger. 'cause
double
I'm a big boy.
cheeseburger. Yep. Got yellow noodle
With chicken.
something. Yeah, with chicken. And
Aye.
oh, she finished. It's with morning glory. Yeah, and rice. Go.
Delicious.
Yep. Bon
It was an
appetit.
amazing trip and amazing dinner.
Yeah.
Not as young as so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know.
Are going to Aonang Beach today.
I wasn't expecting this. There we go.
Okay, say something. 1, 2, 3.
Something.